Okay, hello everyone. My name is Brittany. I am going to show you all what we have decided to do for some of our math. This week in at-home learning, we've been doing remote learning, and my son has been doing math arrays. Okay, that is the word ARRAYS, arrays. So he's been doing those this week, and as a review from last year, from second grade, and I kind of wanted to show you guys a fun way to do these to maybe help you understand when it comes to doing multiplication and division. So let's go ahead and get into that. I've got my Minecraft world already set up. I've done an example earlier with my son and in a previous video. Here is my little Minecraft avatar. She's got a Captain America outfit on. And then we've got, let's see, these are just some extra things that I had put in there just to make some other things that were fun that we could use. But I went with a kind of fall theme, a little bit more like Halloween colors and things like that, since that's coming up soon. But here's what we're going to use today. We're going to use nether gold ore, shroomlight, and a magma block. And we're actually in 1.16.2 for the Minecraft version. For those of you that haven't seen some of these newer blocks, that is actually in 1.16.2. So anything that is below and is at 1.15 is going to not have these blocks. So if you want these specific blocks to maybe do some of these fun things, you'll need to download up to the 1.16.2. So let's go ahead and get into learning how to make an array. So first of all, we've got an area set up here that I've set up for you guys. And here is what we're going to be learning how to do. An array, A-R-R-A-Y. That's a mathematical term. And we've got our equations here. So we're making an array today. And the equations are 15 divided by 5 equals blank. And we turn that into a multiplication equation, which is 5 times blank equals 15. And then our magic number are the blanks there. That's what we're going to need to figure out today. So let me go ahead and fly up, double jump on my spacebar to fly. Let's see, let's go back down here. So our columns that we're going to be using for our array are going to be the up and down parts of the array. The rows are going to be the sideways, like shaking your head no. And columns are going to be like up and down, like shaking your head yes. So let's look over here. I've got a batch of jack-o'-lanterns, which we're going to pretend are just pumpkins that we have started growing in our little pumpkin patch. So if we walk down this row, we are going to be walking the rows of our pumpkins or our jack-o'-lanterns. And if we look up and down here, we walk through a column. Okay, so a column is up and down. It's basically what you would have on your porch or things like that. And then these are the rows, so they're side to side. So that is kind of a little bit of a refresher on what a column and a row would be. Columns are up and down, rows are side to side. So columns are yes, up and down, and rows are back and forth like a no. So first of all, what we're going to do is for the array. Okay, so since we have taken our 15 divided by 5 equals blank, we wanted to turn that into a multiplication equation. So we turned it into 5. We pulled our 5 down over here, and our big number is going to be after the equal sign, and we've got to figure out what 5 times whatever number this is equals 15. So let's get into our big rectangle here. All right, so 5 is the number we're going to be using. So 5, we're going to use, let's use the nether ore. So we want to make 5 rows, okay? So we're going to have a column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a column, and each one of these is the start of a row, okay? So we have 5. So that's the first number that we needed. We've got 5 right there, and we started with 5. So 5 rows. Our next column, we're going to do Streamlights. And so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to start these. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when we look at this right now, we have 10 blocks. So is that what that equals? No, we have 15 that we need, not 10. So, but we do want to look at it, and we've got new numbers for our rows and our columns. So we have a column of nether ore, and we have a column of Streamlights. And then if we go to the side, we have a row that consists of a nether ore and a Streamlight, 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 and a nether ore and a Streamlight. So each row has 2. So now, since we know there was only 10, let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we need 15. So we're going to make another column, and we'll use the magnet block for that. So we were at 10. We'll start 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. That is our ending number of the second equation there. So 15. So we have made it to the amount of blocks that we needed. We needed 15, okay? So if we have 5 rows, how many columns do we have? We have 1 column, 2 columns, and 3 columns. So if we look, we will have 5 times 3 columns equals 15 blocks. That also means that 15 divided by 5 that we had earlier, so we're looking for that missing number, is going to also be 3. So if we divide 15 5 times, we get 3. So if we take 15, hit done. If we take all of these 15 and we divide them up equally, we have 5 rows that go across, but we want to go around these and make sure that they're divided up, we have divided them into 3 equal columns. So that's how we divided that. We divided it up. We had 15. We divided it by 5. And when we did that, it came to 3 equal columns. So that's how we divide. And then we also did the multiplying as well because we added to each of these. So we had the 5 rows going across, and we did the 5 rows and multiplied them by 3. So if we do all of these, see the 3 that are in here? 1, 2, 3. And we do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we get all 15 of these blocks. So our magic number that we needed for the first one was 3. And we figured that out whenever we were adding these columns, and we counted all the way to 15. Hopefully that helps, and I hope you guys have a great day. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And hopefully we will see you again sometime soon for some more Minecraft math. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.